welcome to my channel. And here we're going to solve this question 3 for this year NECO examination. And as we are told here that the front elevation and plan of a block in figure 4.3 are given in first angle projection. Draw. Question A says that we should draw the given views, and question B, the first auxiliary plan in direction of arrow K. So as you can see here, so this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and then we have arrow K being inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. The distance from here to here is 70 in the front elevation, and distance from here to here is 15, from here to here is 25, from here to here is 20, that is distance from here to here, and then from here to this point is 20, then coming to this end from here to here is 20, from here to here is 15, and the total length here is 100 millimeters. We are going to produce these given views, then we go on to produce the first auxiliary plan as we are instructed in direction of arrow K. Let's go and see how this problem can be done. Now, the first thing to do is for us to draw a horizontal line. So at this point, so we draw a horizontal line like this. Don't forget that the auxiliary plan that we are producing will be in this direction, so let's take note of that. And then I'm going to take a measurement of 100 millimeters, which is the total length as we are given. So here we have what we have. This is the first point, and then here we have 100 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from this point we draw a vertical line here. So this is a vertical line, and then coming to this point here, so where that 100 ends, or the end of the 100 millimeters, we draw a vertical line here like this. And then I'm going to draw the plan first. So I'll move that a little bit and draw horizontal line from here to here. So we draw a horizontal line from here to here. So based on what we see in the given front elevation, so I'm going to take the measurement as we are given. So along this part we have 15 millimeters. Along this line we have 15 millimeters, and then we have 25 millimeters down here. This is 25 millimeters. So at this point I'm going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line like this. Then I'll be taking a measurement of 20 millimeters along this line. 20 millimeters along this line. This is 20 millimeters. So also I need to take this line for 15. So I will draw a short line like this. Okay, then so coming down here, I'm going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So 40 millimeters from this end. And coming to this end here, I will also take 40 millimeters. Okay, then coming to this point here, I will take 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters here. So here I'm going to draw this as a horizontal line, and then at this point here, so I will draw a vertical line. So I make this a thick line at once. So drawing this vertical line like this, and then drawing a vertical line here like this. So looking at what we have here, so everything that we need in the plan is already in this drawing, but I need to take this up so that I can produce it in the front elevation, and also I'll take this up to produce in the front elevation, and for this I will also take it up to produce it in the front elevation. Okay, now so having done this, the next thing I'm going to do is that so let's work on the front elevation so that I can pause the video and bring out the feasible outlines and edges of this drawing. So I would like to draw this line at once, so from here to here. Okay, so then for the front elevation, as we see there that the height is 70, I need to take a measurement of 70 millimeters from this point here up. This is 70 millimeters like this. So this 70 millimeters is connected to this point as we see it in the given views. So I will join this point together, so with a thick line like this. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to pause the video, and then I will bring out the feasible outlines and edges. Then when I'm done, I may still need to explain something to you before we continue to produce the first auxiliary plan as we are asked. Alright, so these are the given views that we produce. So I need to tell you something about this. So when the object is being viewed as a solid object in this direction, this point will be hidden from us. That's why we have this line drawn with short dashes line. So let's take note of that. And then we see this line. So that's what we have here. And we also see this line from this point. That's what we have there. Okay. Then we have drawn the arrow K as we are given in the given view. Now let's go and produce the auxiliary plan as we are instructed. So we are still going to make use of our 45 degrees set square. So we are going to make use of 45 degrees set square to project line from the point that we have on this surface of the front elevation. So from this point we are going to draw a line in this direction. So we draw a line in this direction. Then we come to this point here. So we draw a line in this direction. Okay. Then coming to this point. So we draw a line in this direction with the same 45 degrees set square. And also this point, we also draw a line. So draw a line in this direction. And then from this point, we draw a line in this direction. Alright, so let me just extend the lines a little bit. Alright, so then with the same 45 degrees set square, so whatever I draw will still cover this thing. I don't want it to cover it, but I need to manage it. Okay, so with my 45 degrees set square, I will draw this line. So I will draw this line, so like this. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that all these features that we have in the plan, we need to show them here. That's what they want us to, just want to draw something like this. But you can see that this one is going to be longer than what we have here. So that's how it's going to be. Now the next thing that we are going to do is that, so all these features, as I said, we need to bring them here. So I'll just take the measurements. I'm not going to, I'll take the measurement from here to here is 15. So it's 15 millimeters. So that 15 millimeters, I'm going to take it along this line. So this is 15 millimeters here. So we have 15 millimeters, and down to this point, okay, from here to here is 15. But we need to get, let's get the total here, which is 25. So we take 25 from here down. So this is 25 millimeters, and then from here to here is 15 millimeters. So from where we have this 25, we take 15 millimeters up. This is 15 millimeters. Okay, so with the same 45 degrees set square, we transfer this point, we transfer them. So this one, I just draw it here. So okay, so I just make it a thick line at once like this. Okay, so then, so you need to transfer this one. So we transfer it down here like this, and we also transfer this one down here. Alright, so then, so bring out the shape as we see there. So we have what? Okay, so this point, that this shape that we have here, that's what we produce here. Then this shape that we have here, we follow these two lines. So we have it here. So it will give us this, will give us what we have there. So we make this one a thick line. So we also make this a thick line. Then, so this one we make it a thick line. So this is how it will be. So then, so this line is a thick line. So just like we have it there in the plan, and we also make this line a thick line here. Then this line also we make it a thick line. And then, so this line from here to here, so we draw it as a thick line. And then, so for this one from here, so we draw it as a thick line. Alright, so this is how the first auxiliary plan will look as we are instructed. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you and God bless you.